So, good day, folks. The problem of our printer, Epson L3250 Wi-Fi EcoTank is like this one. There is a line when you make printing. So, first things first, I will teach you how to solve the problem. So, first, go to your computer. Go to settings, and then go to Bluetooth and device. Here, Bluetooth and device. Go to printer and scanner, and then choose the Epson L3250 series. Click this one, and then go to printing preferences. Click that one, and then go to maintenance. So first things first, print head cleaning. Okay, click this one, and then after this one, print head cleaning start. After start, wait for how many minutes. So print head cleaning is done. So I try to print. So the same problem. Look at this one. There is a line. I already print two to three times, but the same. So next option, you need to power cleaning your printer. So the same procedure. Go to settings, Bluetooth and device, click your printer, and then click this one, printer preferences, and then click the power cleaning. So this is the last option. Click this one, power cleaning, click, and then wait. So next, so for power cleaning, your printer, it should be in the middle. Your ink, it should be in the middle, so the printer will not damage. And then there is a specific an interval of 12 hours required between each power cleaning. Normally, a single power cleaning should resolve the printer quality issue. So and then next, so power cleaning is completed. So we will try to print if the problem is solved. So I will try to print again. So this one I will print. Wait, current page. So we will try to print again. So just wait. So we will check. Okay. Sorry for the wires. So I think the problem solved. So here you go. So no more lines. So you will compare this one. Look at this one. Too much lines. Then this one, the new one. Oh, look at this one. So I hope your problem will solve this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.